Hi and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add variety to your wardrobe, no matter if you sew or not, by using heat transfer stickers and patches on your clothes. I'm going to show you where to find them, why you need them, and how to apply for best results. I've seen these stickers here and there online and in brick and mortar craft shops as well, and you will most certainly find them on Amazon. If you go to Amazon and just type heat transfer stickers in the search bar, countless results will come out. I will put a link below just in case. Lately I saw more for children, so I primarily buy cute, child-appropriate stickers like the ones here. I've already used this one, and those two are waiting for my next project. They also come in different sizes. For the most part, what you see is what you get. Some are better quality than others, so research before you buy. This cat I used for a dress, and these cute animals here I used for pattern testings. Here are some knits that I plan to use for t-shirts for me and the children for the summer. These are all t-shirt fabrics, some cotton jerseys, some rayon t-shirt fabrics, and some synthetic knits. I've used heat transfer stickers on French terry, fleece, and denim as well, all with a great result. I haven't tested much with woven fabrics other than denim, just because it so happened, but I believe that wovens will hold the sticker good as well, if stretchy knits can do it. If you've tried on woven fabrics, please comment below and share your experience. Here are some of the stickers I'm planning to use right now. On the face side, they have a transparent protective layer. On the back, they are rough, and this is the side which sticks to the fabric. The stickers might look different, they come on different types of paper, and these Minecraft ones, for example, are smoother on the back, but they all stick well. I know because I've tried them. There also are some with rhinestones arranged on fabric glue, and I love these as well. And there are fabric patches like these with glue on the back that I also like to use, especially over holes to cover when I do repairs. The fabric ones I like to sew around though, because for some reason they don't stick as well, or if they do, they come off after a couple of washes. Here is how to apply the stickers. Sometimes they come with instructions like this, and in the instructions they give two options to apply: with heat transfer press and with regular household steam iron. The heat transfer press develops higher temperature than most irons. I own a press and sometimes I use it to put the stickers on, but I assume that most of you don't. That's why I'm going to show how to do it with the iron. First, decide the position you want to put the sticker on. This might seem like a no-brainer, but make sure to measure even distances from the shoulders, for example, for best results. Then iron press. Turn the steam off. There should be no steam whatsoever while applying the sticker. Second, you need the highest temperature possible, so turn the heat up to the max. Third, and very important, don't put the iron directly over the sticker because the sticker cover might melt. Use a piece of cloth or an iron shoe like the one you see here to cover the sticker and protect it from direct contact with the iron plate. By the way, I really love this iron shoe. When I use it, nothing ever sticks to the iron and I can press delicate fabrics like chiffon or satin with high temperature to get great results without damaging the fabric. I will leave a link below if you are interested. I would leave the iron on for a couple of seconds and move it slightly over the sticker. Sometimes I might iron from the back as well to make sure that the fabric is nicely heated and the print is going to stick well. Make sure to keep heating the sticker for at least 30 seconds. The better you heat it, the better it will stick. You can put the sticker on before you sew or on the finished garment. It doesn't really matter. What matters is to leave it cool off really well. If you try to remove the protective layer while the sticker is still warm, you might damage it. So let it cool and then just slowly remove the foil. Here are some more examples. And here's how to put the rhinestones sticker. Follow the same steps except there is no foil to remove after, just let it really cool off. Sometimes it might seem that it didn't stick well while hot, but when it cools off, the rhinestones hold on well to the fabric. And that's all I want to share. I hope you learned something new. If you think any of my videos helped you create something, tag me on Instagram so I can see it and love it. Until the next time, bye!